Hey guys, it's Chris here, and today we're going to be reviewing the XBT 80 headphones. They're wireless headphones from Riwbox. We have the white silver here. It does look pretty cool. It's like if you took a Apple AirPods and just made these into headphones. Looking at the box, it has support voice control. It has a built-in microphone. It also comes with an inline microphone. It's gold-plated and a button there for play, pause, and other functions. We're going to get to the sound quality in a bit from the headphones themselves, and wirelessly connect through Bluetooth. Overall, I give this product a price to value ratio of 7 out of 10, and that's because of all these four things combined. The build quality, it's a pretty nice build quality. It's lightweight. It's not the best build quality. You can definitely hear things rattle around, and the plastic is plastic. I do take this to the gym, and it's in my bag, and it's always been tossed around and thrown on the floor. Definitely has good build quality. In terms of comfort, it's pretty nice on the ears. It's definitely a different change from being from these at the gym, intruding my ears all the time. It has really good circulation, so you put these on your ear, and when you start sweating, they definitely build a little sweat, but it's very easy to clean off. I just go like this, cleans right off, and then you're back to it. It does not get hot. It doesn't cover the ear fully, so it's definitely on the ear, and not a big fan of those. But it's lightweight, which means it's not as intrusive to knowing that it's on my head constantly. But again, the build quality is not the craziest good. I mean, when I'm working, I don't want to hear this stuff inside. Yeah. The highs, the lows, there's no sparkle to any of them. They all just kind of one way. It's pretty good. It's not like super heavy on bass, and the highs are not the most beautiful, but they're definitely there. And the bass definitely has a little bit of a thump, but that's it. And the mids, the bass is good enough. And the mids are not warm, not crazy, they're just regular. The buttons on the side here, on the left side, there is a right and left side. There are 5 buttons, and it's kind of difficult to use. This is why I kind of gave it a 7 out of 10, just because I was kind of intimidated by the buttons. It took me 2 weeks just to figure out whether I wanted to learn the button configuration. I had to read these. I read the instructions. Yeah, so it's like they're very small. I wish they would have been better. It was like having my finger on rice and trying to read Braille. So that's the main reason I give it a 7 out of 10. The build quality is not that crazy. It's all right, and it's beatable. It's definitely a budget headphones. I would definitely purchase this for an 8 out of 10 if it was, I'd say like $9.99 or like $12.99, max $15. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. For a month and a half, I've been using them at the gym, and they're definitely a nice change from this in-ear monitors that do bother my ear canal when I'm trying to work out. It's like it's in my ear and it's just kind of bothering me all the time or falling out. That does it with this full review. Thank you guys for watching. Check out the link in the description for the XBT wireless headphones. They definitely have a nice color scheme to them. If you want to stunt on looks, this is a cool one. It does have an SD card, so you can use a mini SD card for music if you don't want to bring your phone with you and you just want to bring these with you. Mini USB for charging. It does come with the charging cable, and it has a 3.5 jack for inline wired listening to music or maybe taking a conference call. I like them. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'm usually on Instagram and Snapchat. I'm kind of there too. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe for future content. Bye guys.